Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the official Trump meme coin on Trust Wallet. All right, there's a couple of ways to go about getting yourself some official Trump tokens, with the first step being minimizing and opening up your CoinMarketCap website. So once you're on CoinMarketCap, take note of the network that the token exists in, which is a Solana. Copy it and then simply minimize. So minimize your wallet, open up the Trust Wallet. Now, in order to get the token on Trust Wallet, you could easily click on the swap option, and where we have from switch their places, so it says from the Solana network to the Solana network again. So select the Solana network, and instead of Solana, you could easily paste this contract address and click on official Trump. And now you could easily convert your Solana tokens into the Trump token and then click on confirm. So this can be done if you have some Solana to cover your gas fees. So make sure you have some Solana. If you do not, head to the home section and simply click on the buy at the top of the screen. And then once there, simply use the search icon at the top of the screen to search for Sol. So click on Solana, and now you could easily buy your Solana using your credit card. That's your Visa or MasterCard to buy some Solana. Once you've bought your Solana, you could easily head back to the swap menu and buy the Trump coin using your Solana tokens. All right, guys. So that's how it goes. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.